Alright, now here is some exciting news for all the Samsung Galaxy Watch users out there. Samsung has just announced that the sleep apnea feature on Samsung Health Monitor application has been approved by the United States Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, which means this feature will come to the watches in the US region, and maybe in the future the other countries will also get this. Now what this feature can do is it can detect the signs of sleep apnea using a compatible Samsung Galaxy Watch and the phone. Samsung says the sleep apnea feature enables users over the age of 22 who have not been diagnosed with sleep apnea to detect signs of moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea, and that's over a 2-night monitoring period. This severe obstructive sleep apnea is a common and chronic sleep condition that often goes undiagnosed and untreated. To utilize the feature, users can simply track their sleep twice for more than 4 hours within a 10-day period. And they also say this disease causes a person to stop breathing while sleeping and can often result in disruptions in oxygen supply, lower sleep quality, and daytime fatigue. Untreated sleep apnea can compound the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension, coronary artery disease, heart failure, cardiac arrhythmias, and stroke. According to the National Sleep Foundation, roughly 25% of men and 10% of women in the US experience this disease. So with this new feature, people can proactively detect the moderate or severe forms of sleep apnea, and if this disease is detected on the watch, people can seek medical care to reduce the possibility of health-related complications. Now hearing this, it definitely sounds like a very important feature which we all should have in all the countries on all the Galaxy watches. At the moment, it is not clear on which are the models that are going to get this feature and in which other countries these features will arrive. We don't have clarity on that yet, but if the FDA has approved this, I'm sure many other countries and regions will also approve this feature in their country, and we can definitely expect the feature, but it might take a very long time for other countries to receive it. For example, the BP monitor and the ECG just arrived in India just a few weeks ago. Now this is not because Samsung doesn't want to release it in the other countries. This is mainly due to the market restrictions in obtaining approvals or registration as a software as a medical device from the concerned authorities in each country. That's something to note here. As of now, we have got blood pressure monitoring and ECG in many countries, and these two features are currently available on the Galaxy Watch 6 series, Watch 5 series, and Watch 4 series, and I'm sure these three watches will be capable of detecting the sleep apnea because this feature measures mainly the blood oxygen levels and sleep to detect this disease. So this is definitely a very exciting news for us. Let's hope that this feature arrives on the Galaxy Watch very soon. I will keep you guys posted about this. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know what do you think about this feature. Drop a comment, and while doing that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We are inching closer to 100k. Very soon we'll be able to reach there with your support. So go ahead, subscribe, and give this video a like if you find this video informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.